Gallbladder cancer. Introduction.
Excess bile is stored in the gallbladder. Select true or false. Correct. Digestive juices called bile are made in the liver. Are all tumors cancerous? Select yes or no. Correct. Only tumors that tend to invade surrounding tissues and other organs are cancerous. Cancerous tumors are also known as malignant tumors. Benign tumors are not cancerous. Does having a risk factor for gallbladder cancer mean you will get gallbladder cancer? Select yes or no. Correct. Having a risk factor for a cancer increases the chances of developing this cancer. It does not mean a person will develop the cancer. Is stage 1 cancer more advanced than stage 4? Select yes or no. Stages.
Correct. Stage 1 cancer is less advanced than stage 4. This means it is usually more treatable. Surgery, radiation therapy, and chemotherapy may be used in combination to treat gallbladder cancer. Select true or false.
Correct. Thank you for using Explain.